Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, as always. Today I'm going to take a look at this this challenge lock from Leons Lockpad. Actually, I'm not 100% sure it's a challenge lock. There's no tag on it. There's no key, but I think I remember Leon saying that he was planning on making an oval, or a challenge lock out of an oval. I'm not sure if this is the one or not. We're gonna find out here in a second. Put that in the vise. Fix the camera angle. I think that should work. I think my homemade pry bar should fit in there. 50,000. A little loose, but I think it'll do the trick. And I'm going to use, you guessed it, my offset hybrid, as I like to do in these keyways when the bidding allows. Anyway, it's not much of a rise, so you have a hard time getting high set pins. But let's see what we can do with this. A little click off 2, and 1 started binding afterwards, so I'll go for that right away. I think we got it set. 3 is binding. Got it set. 4. Actually, I think it's 5. Yeah, it's definitely 5. And that put us into a false set. Now we just have to look for some counter rotation. Get a better focus. Counter rotation on 1. Got it set, but we lost our false set. 2 is binding. Oh, and that opened us up. I'm not sure that I picked number 4 or not. I might have brushed by it. We'll find out if it's a low cut. I kind of don't think this is a challenge lock, because that was pretty easy to get into. I told Leon to take it easy on me, but I don't think I still don't think it's a challenge lock. Don't think he took it that easy on me. Not sure if this black background, black mat's gonna work for my videos. If you guys find it doesn't look great, don't be shy to say so in the comments there below. No key for this, so I can't lock it up. I think I can use this circlip pliers, snap ring pliers, whatever you want to call them. There we go, perfecto. And follower. Pins are up. I don't think we need to shim this. And there we go. So 4 was pretty close to shear, so I must have bumped it while going for 5. Oh, I can't even get under these. There we go. So yeah, I'm basically lifting 4 to shear just by slipping under it. So that's why I didn't feel 4. kind of expecting to see all standards here below. There we go, those are all standards, oriented the right way. My tweezers. Let's see what we got upstairs. One is standard. There we go. Two is a spool as I expected. Pretty nice spool. Ooh, 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 ooh. Go back down there. Three standard. And I'm going to go around from the, actually, let's do it from the front. Four was a spool, and five is a standard. All the springs are the same. Nothing done to the plug. I'm not too familiar with these E-S locks. If you guys know anything about them, again, don't be shy to put it in the comments. I thought they had counter milling, and maybe I'm just thinking of the S MP5. But yeah, like I said, if you do know, go ahead and put it in the comments. I'd love to know more about the E-S locks. A little while ago, I seen there was quite a bit of them on YouTube. Quite a bit of picking videos on them. Goes that way. So yeah, we had all standards in the bottom. Kind of look like steel pins, but let me see. I have a magnet here. No, they're just nickel plated. So yeah, all standards in the bottom, and we have alternating at the top, standard spool, and standard. And since this isn't a challenge lock and it's Y1 keyway, I can definitely pin it up to a pre-cut key that I already have, and that way the next person that gets it will have a key for it. I thank you guys for joining me on this one, and as always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick a lock that you don't own or have permission to pick. Alright guys, have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.